Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Got one that just came in. It's a sold order. Forgot that this is just the way it came in. It's a 310 wheelbase, 310 inches, 2020 Peterbilt 389 extended hood with a 72-inch flat top in legendary red with legendary black fenders, and we're going to be, I think we're painting the tanks and things like that black. Kind of the whole bottom end of this truck will be black, eventually black wheels, black back of headlights. But I just wanted to kind of do a quick run around on this before we even start on it. There's the legendary black. Color is just stunning color. There's the legendary red. Just a gorgeous. This paint is what they call a glass effect paint. So looks like there's a layer of glass over it. Be adding some lights on the top. 2 extra clearance lights, those will all be clear. Gonna be putting a herd bumper on it. Let's go around this way. 565 horsepower, 2050 torque. Haven't done anything to it yet. This is the way it came in. Did a quick wash on it. It still needs a little bit of polishing. Those Peterbilt fenders will be gone. Got a pusher axle here. 255 70R 22.5 tire on it. Get you some ground clearance there. You can see on these we just do a drum brake on those. This thing's got disc brakes all the way around, but the drum brakes on the pusher axle, so we don't want to use that for braking. Aluminum fifth wheel, Holland. Save a little bit of weight. Low air leaf suspension. Get it on the Peterbilt whole wheels, Alcoas. 285 75R 24.5 on the wheels. Those will eventually be black. Just a nice looking truck, very long, 310. Seen longer, but that's starting to get stretched out there. Did not do a window on the back of this one, but we did do 6 load lights. S-bar heater, bunk heater, that's the exhaust port right there. And then we're going to do closeouts on the top of the frame to clean it all up. Got a 150 over here, that's going to get painted. Not sure what we're going to do on the step here, if we're going to paint or not. Take a quick look inside the engine compartment. The other thing I think we're going to do is paint the back of those headlight pods. So we'll leave this polished, and then the rest of this will be painted to match the fender. Yeah, just that legendary red is just beautiful. Just gorgeous. Cummins X15. Turbo. The air ride steer axle on this one. Dual airbags. You got dual leveling valves. Disc brakes up front, which is standard. Davco fuel filter. Put those on everything. Get your remote lube. Just a good looking truck. We did that platinum interior. The bunk here, lots of storage. 72-inch flat top sleeper. Platinum interior. Didn't do very fancy seats in here because the guy's gonna replace the seats. They're fired up. There's the view. We're doing a drop visor on this one too, so we'll chop that view down a little bit. Pull cord and plumbing. Does not have any air horns on it, so we'll put a train horn in underneath. Full gauges, AM, FM, Bluetooth, 18 speed. I always tell it's an 18 speed because the thumb splitter is gray on an 18 speed in general. And like I said, we're going to replace these seats, so no big deal there. A little bit different in the back when you don't have a window. So carpet in both. The business center here pulls out. Room for a TV. Got a closet over here. More storage up there. Let's see if we can. Here's our air and heat back here, and then here's your S-bar heater. Very simple, very easy to control. Saves a lot of fuel. So I just thought I'd go over that with you. Again, it's a sold unit, but we can do these. We can order more in. Happy to help. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, C-O-U-C-H-K, at rushenterprises.com. Give you a parting shot of just a gorgeous truck. Again, I appreciate you watching. Drive safe. Take care.